Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to access a hash, we're going to update a value in the hash, and we're going to add a new element. So I've already created the bare bones of my hash. This is called access hash. Now I'm going to call this hash countries, and we got this particular sigil here which is a hash sigil. And we've got some keys and we've got some values in here, so we're going to do countries and languages. So UK is equal to English, well, some parts anyway. France is equal to French, and Wales is equal to Welsh. Okay, so here we go. Let's access it. So I'm going to use the say command to print, and then I'm going to use the sigils here and countries. Some curly braces, and I'm just going to say UK. Okay, so I want to access that, and I want to access another one. I think I'll access Wales. It's going to be Wales. Okay, so I want to access those two keys in the hash. Let me just save that. Come down to here, run the program. Raku. It's going to be, name of the program is test.raku. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, so we've accessed the value English and Welsh there. So that's looking good so far. Let's just clear this. Right, let's update a value. So I'm just going to call this, I'll just change this here, I'll call it update hash, and down here I'll call this update hash. This is what we use to call the program, by the way. So I'm just going to leave the hash the same with countries and languages. Let's knock that out there. So what I'm going to do is let's have a look. I'm going to I'm going to change this. Why not? So I'm going to change this to simply names. I'm going to add a couple of names in here, so we're just going to add something like Bill. Good old Bill, making his umpteenth appearance in a hash. 66, so his age is 66. And we're going to have Joe here. I'm going to assign an age to him, let's say 99. And the next one is going to be Steve. Not funny, Steve. Okay. And we're going to assign an age to him. So I'm going to say Steve is 100. So we've got a load of old coffin dodgers in there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the sigil here. Names. Okay. And we're going to update their ages. So I'm just going to say Bill here, and I'm going to give him an age of I don't know, 25. So he's a young pup. And I'm going to do another one. Names, and I'm going to do Steve because he's the oldest one of the lot. Steve here. So Steve, his age is going to be reduced down to 15. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out this hash again. Whoops, that's the wrong sigil there. Sorry about that. Names. Okay, and let's see how it's changed. Let's save it first. And we've got the update hash here. So this is going to call this program. So let's just run the program. So Raku test.raku. Raku hit enter. Okay, there we go. We've got new ages. We've got 25 and we've got 15. So looking so good so far. And let's just clear this here. We're going to add some new elements here to the array. So we're going to add some new keys and values in here. So let me just remove that. So let's say, I'm just going to call this add, well, new, okay, simply add here and new. Yeah, okay. Normally I wouldn't do a name like that, but just for this demo it's okay. Okay. Right, so we're going to add some new keys and values into this hash. So I'm going to do names. I'm going to add one here. Mary Jane. She's from good old Alabama. And I'm going to give her an age of 50, why not? Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to print out this. Okay, let's save that. And we're going to print it out and see if it's included. So we've got Raku test.raku. Okay, let's just hit enter there. And there you go, Mary Jane has shown up in the hash. So there you go everybody, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave. Give it a big thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.